In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GitHub Actions in just 5 minutes. If you're new to automation or looking to streamline your development workflow, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and search for GitHub. Once you're on the GitHub homepage, you'll need to sign up if you haven't already. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to create an account. If you already have a GitHub account, simply log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the repository where you want to implement an automated workflow using GitHub Actions. If you don't have a repository yet, you might want to create one, but for today, we'll assume you have one ready. Once you're in your repository, look for the Actions tab at the top of the page. Click on this tab, and GitHub will offer you the choice to start a new workflow. You can either create one from scratch, or you can select a pre-configured template. These templates are quite handy if you're working with specific programming languages or deployment targets, as they provide a solid starting point. Now, by initiating a new workflow, GitHub will automatically create a YAML file for you. Typically, this file is named something like main.yml and is located within the .github/workflows directory of your repository. This is where all the magic will happen. YAML, short for YAML Ain't Markup Language, is the language you'll use to define your workflow. Your next step is to define the workflow in this YAML file. You'll want to include several key components here. First, give your workflow a name. This helps in identifying it, especially if you have multiple workflows running. Then, specify the event that will trigger this workflow. Events could be anything from a push to your repository to a pull request being opened, or even on a schedule if you need automated tasks. Lastly, define the jobs that your workflow will perform. Jobs are a series of steps, such as running tests or building your project. Each job is independent, but can be connected based on your needs. Once you've configured all necessary aspects of your workflow in the YAML file, it's time to save your file and push it back to your repository. This push action does more than just add a file to your repository. It actually triggers the workflow you just defined, based on the events you specified earlier. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a GitHub Actions workflow. This powerful tool streamlines your development process and can save you plenty of time and effort. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and don't forget to explore other features GitHub Actions has to offer. Happy coding!